My name is Ian Peter with Peterman Design Firm, and I'm here with Mark talking about a project that we've been working on together probably 6, 7, 8 months. And so when you found me, what were you looking for? What was it, your need?
I am a auto enthusiast, and I had some parts that I wanted for my car restoration that were no longer available. No signs in the immediate future that they would ever become available, either by the original manufacturer or any aftermarket companies. So basically, I wanted to replicate some of these parts. The thing that I noticed is, most of the folks in my little community are, probably a vast majority of them are at retirement age. They don't have a lot of experience with 3D modeling or 3D printing. So they're kind of just making do with what they have. And I figured, it's an opportunity for me to kind of share the wealth in terms of tapping into some, um, late breaking technology, if you will. Not as a, kind of a money-making scheme or anything, but just to kind of help the community get what I need and, help them as well.
Awesome. Had you done this before at all? Had you used a designer, 3D modeling and that stuff, or is this kind of your first entry?
It's my first entry, certainly with modeling. I had gone to a couple conferences that included, 90-minute session on 3D printing. It wasn't at all related to the conference I was at. It was more of an interesting technology add-on to, an IT conference that I went to. So I definitely had interest in it, and I had read up and watched videos and, TED Talks about, 3D printing, prosthetic limbs, and things like that. So I've always been interested in the technology, but it wasn't until, I started this restoration process that I really started to look into it and research modelers. I've worked with small business owners and large, companies, and, your level of professionalism with, communication, both email and over the phone, and your invoicing process, and just the way that you present yourself and your organization has been very professional. And, it's all across the board, I would assume, in the industry and just with, businesses in general. And I think you're doing it well.
Awesome. All right. Well, thank you for your time, and we'll keep working.
Great. Thank you.